It's a lady in London here. Today I want to share with you my guide to how to make the most of your time at Wimbledon. The annual tennis championships in London are a great time and they're a really fun day out. I've been a few times myself over the years and I've always had a great experience. But there are some things that can make Wimbledon overwhelming, and today I want to share my 9 tips for things to avoid doing if you want to have a good time.
There's a lot more to see and do at Wimbledon than you might think, so getting there early is a good idea. I recommend getting there when the gates open. When people think of Wimbledon, they often just think of center court, but there are a lot more courts around, and it's fun to walk around Wimbledon and see the play as you go. Wimbledon is a long day, so don't forget to eat and drink while you're there. There are plenty of options for food and drink at Wimbledon. They range from restaurants where you can sit down and have a full meal, to kiosks where you can buy a drink, or classic strawberries and cream, which is a must at Wimbledon. You can even have afternoon tea, a classic British treat. Don't miss out on the shops and museum while you're at Wimbledon either. The shops are great places to pick up souvenirs and mementos of your time at the tennis, and the museum's a fun place to learn about Wimbledon history. Even if you have great center court seats, it's still fun to go up to Henman Hill and join in the festivities on the grass. Wimbledon gets incredibly crowded, so don't forget to leave yourself extra time when you need to get places. This being Britain, the weather can change on a moment's notice. One day it will be sunny, the next rainy, 1 hour it will be sunny and the next windy, so just make sure to dress for all weather. Wimbledon can be overwhelming and there's a lot to take in here, but don't forget to stop and look around. There's enough going on at Wimbledon besides the tennis that it's easy to get distracted, but don't forget that that's why you're here. The games are some of the best parts of being at Wimbledon, and seeing the legends play is amazing.
I hope you've enjoyed my guide to mistakes not to make at Wimbledon, and that if you go to the tennis this year or in the coming years, you have a great time. As always, there's more on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy travels.